filters can create the perfect environment for bacteria and mold growth, especially where moisture and organic matter are present. That can lead to shorter filter life, more maintenance, and unwanted performance issues.
And while microbes may not be visible, consumers often notice the effects. Things like unpleasant odors can have a major impact on customer satisfaction.
That's why more consumers are looking for filtration products with meaningful functional benefits. And it's why more filter brands are choosing proven antimicrobial and odor control technologies from Microban. Our innovative solutions for filtration can help deliver cleaner, longer-lasting products.
And our newest odor management technologies are helping address a wide range of odor issues, including body, smoke, environmental, and even fish odors. With Microban, you can get more than proven technology. We help simplify testing, guide you through global regulations, and add trusted credibility to your products, so you can move faster, reduce the guesswork, and bring products to market that consumers choose over competitors.